USA! USA!
USA!
USA!
USA! Hello everybody! Guess who I'm with today? This is Ray. You guys all know Ray. And we have come to, where have we come to, Ray?
Global Home?
Global
the
Home?
new DIY stroke got it all shop. So we're going to see what they got.
Yeah, so it's just opened up maybe about a month ago or so, and they're supposed to be epic. They're supposed to have just about everything in here, so we'll take you all along with us.
Oh, you videoing?
Yes, I am.
No!
Do you have a story for us, Ray?
No,
oh, come on, Ray.
Beautiful weather we're having here today. Absolutely.
Oh, too funny. All right, here you go, guys. Here's the big sign on the outside.
It squirts on you, be careful.
Oh, it sure does. Okay. Yeah. Okay, pretty epic here. What do we got going on? We've got appliances. We have, looks like washers, dryers, tiles, flooring, faucets, televisions, and they even have a little coffee shop area. So if you want to come and hang out while someone else shops, you have a place to sit. And you do have a good selection of LED lighting. And boy, look at all the power tools. Kind of reminds me of like Home Depot or Lowe's back in the US. Outdoor lighting. So Ray, if you were ever looking to purchase a cone, they have many cone sizes here and many selections.
This is just a Saturday night out, the small one.
Yeah.
And obviously you work up to the weekend one.
They really do have just about everything in here. You guys are looking for stuff for your homes here on Koh Samui.
I came here 20 years ago. You couldn't get anything. It was a trip to Phuket to get to a superstore.
Wow.
Or
Yeah.
Malaysia. We actually went to a supermarket in Malaysia before Tesco's existed.
Jeez.
I'm not joking. Go to another country to go shopping.
Wow. Yeah, things have changed.
Hell yeah.
Here on Samui, we really do have a selection, considering we are on an island. Pipes and all kinds of stuff. And they have a whole paint section here. Sweatika! Look at this paint section. Stain, all kinds of stuff. Yeah.
That's strange. Some things are cheap on and some things are very expensive on. You can usually get them for about $5,000.
Okay. Lawnmowers and trimmers, hedgers, all kinds of stuff.
Last month. Same price.
Okay. Some fencing. Which Dave and I, we put up a temporary fence for our dog Bella, and it was super cheap, just doing some of that plastic heavy-duty mesh.
That was a great idea.
Yeah, and it's temporary too, so it doesn't disrupt the integrity of the rental property. All kinds of gardening tools, planters. Oh wow, look at these doors.
Too busy looking at the blonde.
Ray. He's checking out the customers.
Moving on.
Even some fake flower flora.
Nothing wrong with that. You don't have to water it so much.
That's right. Yeah, look at this, you guys. They have some really beautiful, interesting doors and stuff here too for your home if you're purchasing a home here in Koh Samui. Windows. And yes, you can purchase a home. You have to do it in a very strategic way. You need a lawyer to do so, and certainly a reputable person to help you get guided through that process. But yes, you can purchase a home here. Wow, what a selection. I'm impressed.
Cool.
Gosh, they even have little beds and mattresses. They have everything. Bedding, sheets and stuff are over there.
Super windows.
Yep.
Real windows.
Really nice windows.
All sets.
Yeah. A few selections for mattresses. And you know what, mattresses here in Thailand in general, they're very hard, very firm. You do have to shop around for mattresses. Home Pro has some mattresses. They have mattresses here. Sometimes what you can do is just buy a mattress pad for your bed, which is what Dave and I did. We got a nice thick mattress pad. I think we paid like 1,500 baht for it, and it's nice and soft. It's like a pillow top, and has made a world of difference for the firmness of our bed. Even some basic metal chairs. Oh, nice. Barring for the windows. One thing you will not do is install carpeting here because it will just mold. You have to stick with tile or some type of wood flooring is ideal, and maybe use some throw rugs and just change them out periodically.
Actually looks like they have stock of things as well.
Yeah, they have stock. I mean, you can see there's several boxes of each style item, so it's not like there's only one, which sometimes can be the case here.
Should we go up the middle row?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's see, find the
What
one.
a selection.
Yeah,
I'm
just
really
looking for the one that I bought for my, here we go. This is exactly the one that I just put in my boat.
okay.
Yeah.
Price wise, how did we do?
I did way better.
Did you?
4.5 grand.
Oh my gosh, okay. So prices may be a little bit higher here,
Yeah.
but it's certainly convenient. If you're in a rush and you really need something
No,
quick.
That's very good price.
That's
2.5. Maybe it wasn't the same model. Maybe that was a bigger one. I don't know.
huh.
But yeah, you put that in my boat.
Yeah, look at all the bedding. Yeah, I was just telling everybody how you're not installing rugs here.
Yeah. Saying that, my rental house has got carpet in the bedroom. But that's to cover the hideous blue tiles.
Ah, got it. Yeah, but rugs generally do not last.
No.
They just, it's just too moist.
They develop a life of their own.
They
Become an
do.
ecosystem.
Yes, an ecosystem. Oh, pretty. Little serving dishes and stuff for entertaining. How pretty. Frames. Oh, now this is something, if you guys are looking for a small cooler to go to the beach with, this is nice. Little option for you. Those are kind of hard to find. I haven't seen any small coolers kicking around anywhere.
Yeah. They have them in macro now and again.
Oh, okay.
And we go through it.
Yeah. Let's see how much they are. Cooking utensils, portable stuff here, grills, a small grill here. Oh my gosh, they even have furniture. Look at that. So, nice selection of office chairs. We have pictures. And we do have a little bit of furniture too. Huh. And that's another thing too, coming here. I have heard through the grapevine that finding quality furniture is a little bit difficult too. So there are some places here on the island that have some decent furniture, but again, this is another option for you. You can come here and check out what they've got. It looks like they have some fold outs, like a futon type situation going on up there if you're looking for futons. And they do have some kitchen sets as well and some outdoor furniture. This is a really pretty color right here. Gorgeous. Anybody want a wall-mounted urinal? Wow, look at these tiles. Lots of beautiful tile selections. Oh,
Kids'
look.
bathroom.
Look at the beautiful designs. Wow. Look at this. It's like
a picture.
They're like a mural. Beautiful. Freezers, washers, dryers.
I need some glue.
Let's go find some glue. It's pretty funny. They just had a conversation all in Thai about Ray's epoxy glue. And they start giggling, and then they realize what he's looking for. And so they're taking us over to the epoxy glue, now that they know what we're talking about. Oh.
Cow, glue. Glue.
Google Translate.
That's the way to go.
Yes.
See the white, rice, knee, and glue.
Oh, no.
And none of them worked. I didn't even get rice.
Right.
กาว Easy Pocket ที่มันเป็นเหมือนเต็มๆออนซิลิโคนเนี่ย
Nope.
Not.
Not like silicone. Have Ning Noi. 1, 2, A and B. And you mix. More of a car thing, I think. Epoxy. Epoxy.
So if you're looking for epoxy glue, it's Cow Epoxy. If you're wanting to find that item. So it's a group effort now. Ah, hey, we're in the right aisle. Oh, Ray,
Yeah.
that should be it, right?
This could be, yeah, but this is for pipes. Steel quick set. Ooh, I like steel. I like steel well. Yeah, plastic for plastic. A and B.
Okay,
Do you know what? It's as good as any.
perfect.
Okay, Cub.
Yay, we found our item.
Epoxy.
Yes.
Epoxy.
Got from Kat.
We need about that much.
Well, you're getting the whole thing, aren't you?
Go and live in the refrigerator for the
Yes.
next 12 years.
Yes.
And then when I want it again, like this time, I didn't have any.
Yes.
It had finally gone hard and I threw it away.
So this is the challenge, right, Ray? When you come to a store and you have to translate what you're looking for.
Oh yeah. And it's not the fact that you don't say the right thing, it's that you don't say with the right tone.
Yeah. In this language, the Thai language is a very tonal language. And so just a little bit of a change in the inflection of something, you change the whole meaning of the word. Were you asking for a big bowl of rice?
I could have been asking for a big bowl of rice. Or a big knee. Or a big box of white.
Yes. It's probably like, what is he asking me for?
Why does he want white rice?
Yeah.
Does he know we're not a restaurant?
Yeah. So Ray just told them where we were from, and of course he tells them, what did you say where you were from?
I'm from England.
Yeah, and where was I from?
USA.
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 I'm like, what?
USA. USA. USA.
USA.
USA.
USA. All right, so that was our adventure for today, and as I've said in a previous video, every single time we come out to do something, the task becomes an adventure.
Oh.
Wouldn't you agree, Ray?
Absolutely. She was right. More gal